Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix controller or gamepad not working in Mortal Cell 2 game. So here follow the fixes. First fix is to enable disable Steam input. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Mortal Cell 2 game, click on properties, go to the controller tab and from the drop down over here first select disable Steam input and then restart the game and check. If that doesn't work, then from the drop down here select enable Steam input and then restart the game and check. Fix 2 is to press the Alt plus enter keys. So try pressing the Alt plus enter keys on your keyboard. This simple trick can sometimes help to fix the problem. Now check if the controller or gamepad is working in Mortal Cell 2 game or not. Fix 3 is to disable third-party game controllers and unplug additional peripherals. So other peripherals on your PC like third-party game controllers or any plug peripheral such as USB devices, pen drive, phone, camera or additional controller, display, mouse, keyboard might conflict with the game. So remove such peripherals and then check if it fixes the problem or not. Fix 4 is to use a wired controller. Maybe game have some bugs or glitches at present and your wireless controller is not working. So if you have wired controller, then connect it and then play the game as of now. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix controller or gamepad not working in Mortal Cell 2 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.